Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MyFitnessPal how to add food yesterday. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your MyFitnessPal app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is tap on the diary option on the bottom left, and then once you are here on the top you will be seeing the today's date right here. Now in order to add food to yesterday, all you gotta do is just simply select yesterday, and here you can add your food either in your breakfast or in your lunch or dinner or snacks. Now simply tap on add food, and then here all you gotta do is enter in, search for the food that you ate or select it from the list, and then the food will be logged in. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.